everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to sign out of YouTube Kids on PC and mobile. Now if you're using a PC, how do you sign out of YouTube Kids? 1. Open YouTube Kids in a web browser, then click on your profile picture at the top right corner and click sign out. It's as simple as that. And if you're using a mobile like Android or iOS devices, what do? Open the YouTube Kids app in those devices, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, top left corner actually, and tap on sign out. It's as simple as that. This will log you out of the YouTube Kids app on that specific device. Now if you want to sign out of YouTube Kids on all devices, go to your Google account by visiting the website myaccount.google.com. The next thing you do, go to security, scroll down to your devices and select the device you want to sign out of and click sign out. This will log you out of YouTube Kids on that specific device too. Note, if you sign out of a Google account, it will also log you out of YouTube Kids and all the Google services on that device. And if you're using a shared device, it is important to sign out of YouTube Kids to protect your child's privacy. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.